Making a vegan Wellington for Thanksgiving this year is a fantastic way to bring something hearty, festive and nourishing to the table. And using lentils and flax seeds as key ingredients adds both texture and nutrition. Its warm and hearty filling is all wrapped in a golden flaky puff pastry. The filling is rich and savory, perfectly seasoned with Country Life's barbecue seasoning and liquid smoke to truly bring out those cozy holiday flavors. It's the perfect main course for a Thanksgiving table because it feels festive and indulgent, yet it's made entirely from wholesome plant-based ingredients. This vegan Wellington pairs beautifully with classic sides like roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, and cranberry sauce. It's not only a delicious plant-based alternative, but also a dish that everyone at the table can enjoy. A true celebration of abundance, flavor, and compassion during the holiday season. Follow Country Life Foods for more.